Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss equations or expressions or formulas of central tendency measures. The very first equation is of arithmetic mean, which is generally denoted by mu. So this is the symbol of mu. And the equation that of arithmetic mean is sigma I equal to 1 to n xi divide by n. In another way, if you want to write the same equation, it will be like this: 1 upon n sigma I equal to 1 to n xi. So over here, in this case, this n stands for total number of data points. That is, counts of data points. Then this I equal to 1 to n, which we can refer as I will take the values from 1 to n. This x is a random variable. And over here, in this case, xi means x1, x2, x3 till xn. So it will be total number of counts or total number of data points. And this sigma is the symbol of summation, which means we need to sum the numbers. So if we want to expand this expression, it will become like this: x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn divided by n. Okay, and let's say we have these three numbers: 1 comma 2 comma 3, and now we want to find arithmetic mean of these three numbers. So in that case, this n become 3. Okay, over here n value will be equal to 3. This equation becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. So over here it will be like 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3, and that is arithmetic mean of these three numbers will be 2. And this equation will be like this: 1 by 3 sigma I equal to 1 to 3 xi. So this is how this equation will become for these three numbers. The next equation is of a geometric mean, geometric mean, and its equation is nth root of product of n numbers. Okay, so over here, this is the symbol pi, which will be used to denote product of the numbers. Okay, and again I equal to 1 to n, it means I will take the value from 1 to n, where n will denote total counts or total number of data points. And if you want to expand this equation, it will become like this: x1 dot x2 dot x3 till xn. Okay, and in the case of these three numbers, it will be like 3. So my total data points, total counts are 3, and then dot product of these three numbers, so 1 dot 2 dot 3. So it will be third root of number 6, which will become 1.817. So if you want to write approximate value, so it can be represented by tilde sign double equal to 1.82. So the geometric mean of the three numbers 1 comma 2 comma 3 will be equal to 1.817, or approximated by 1.82 value. Okay, and the last mean is harmonic mean. And the equation of this mean is n divided by sigma I equal to 1 to n 1 divided by xi. Okay, so again this n will be total counts or total number of data points. Sigma stands for summation, so it is the symbol of sigma, shows summation of the numbers, and I will take the value of 1 to n. So again this equation in the expansion form will become like this: 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 till 1 divided by xn. And for the case of these three numbers, it will be like 3 divided by 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3. Okay, and if we solve this formula, the value will become 1.6363. 6363. So it will be approximated by 1.64. Okay, so now based on all this equation, you will be able to understand that why harmonic mean will be highly impacted by smaller values, because it is the reciprocal form. Okay, so as it is in the division, small numbers will highly impact this harmonic mean. On the other side, arithmetic mean will be highly impacted by large numbers. Okay, and as you can see that value of all the three means will be very differently. Now we will see median. Okay, so for median, we have two different formulas, and these formulas will be based on total counts or total number of data points. First of all, we will consider odd numbers. So in the case of odd numbers, the formula to find median is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so over here, these n again represent total counts or total numbers, plus 1 divided by 2, and this is the n plus 1 by 2 nth term. Okay, so let's say over here I have three values, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the odd numbers. So in that case, my median will become n equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 term. Okay, so it will be like 4 by 2th term, and it will be like second term, which will be equal to 5. Okay, so from these values, 5 will become my median. Now let's say I have one more value over here, like comma 7. So in that case, what I need to do is the value will become n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 whole raised to divide by 2. In that case, it will be like total number will be 4. Like these are the 4 numbers are there, 4 values are there. So 4 divided by 2, again 4 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So it will be like 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So over here, it will, this denote second term and this denote third term. Okay, so it will be like 5 plus 6 divided by 2. It will be 11 by 2, and it will be like 5.5. So the my median will be 5.5. Now one of the important concept, one of the important note to be taken over here is at present all these numbers are in the ascending order. But what if you have numbers like this, 6, 4, 7, 5? So in such kind of scenarios, first of all, what you will require to do is, first of all, you need to arrange all these numbers either in ascending order or descending order. So first of all, if we arrange all these numbers in ascending order, it will be like 4, 5, 6, 7, and then only you need to use either of the equation based on the total counts of data points. Okay, so always remember that in the case of median, whatever the numbers, whatever the count of numbers you have, first of all arrange all those numbers in ascending or descending order, and then only find the median. Now based on the equation and based on the median, you can see that at present our median value is 5.5. okay, and that's where we can say that my median value is as 5.5 over here, somewhere over here, my 50% data points will be in the lower half and 50% data will be in the upper half. So median is the value which separate all the data points in two equal halves, where 50% values will be less than or equal to median and 50% values will be greater than or equal to median. Okay, so this was about the median. And finally, we will talk about mode. So as such, there is no equation for mode. Okay, so equation is mainly based on the data point having highest number of frequency. Okay, so for example, let's say over here I have values from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. So in that case, my mode value will be 5. Okay, let's say if I have one more 7 over here, then my mode will be 2, 5, and 7. So this is how you can interpret and use different equations of central tendency measures. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.